Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you're at the Hux World, and I got some smartwatch deals for you that you got to take advantage of right now, because we don't know if these deals are going to come back, and it's while supplies last. Now, some of you all have been looking for a gift for the missus or the hubby or a friend, or you're thinking about upgrading from the existing smartwatch that you already have. Now is the time if you were looking for a budget buy, right? So we got deals on the Galaxy Watch, the Gear S3, and the Gear Sport. Now you can find these deals on Amazon.com, also Samsung, also Best Buy. I will leave the link in the description for Best Buy and Amazon, so you guys can go have a closer look and take advantage of this awesome deal. All right, so with that being said, let's talk about the first one. The first one is going to be the Gear Sport. Now the Gear Sport is a smaller version. It's a 42mm in size. Very nice looking smartwatch. I love the design of this one. Now this one is going for $179 out the door. Normally it's $279, which means you save $100 on the smartwatch. And this is an awesome deal to take advantage of. Now for the Gear 3 Frontier and the Gear 3 Classic, now on Best Buy, you can get this for $199, both smartwatches. On Amazon.com, I did find a deal for the Gear 3 Frontier. For the Gear 3 Classic, I found refurbished deals. I also found the best deal, which was for $269, which isn't as good as what you would find on Best Buy. But if you're into refurbished, they have plenty of deals. Now, for the Galaxy Watch, which is the biggest deal of all to me, because first of all, I didn't think that they were going to have a deal for the Galaxy Watch, considering that it was new. But now the Galaxy Watch is running $279 out the door right now, while supplies last, both on Amazon.com and on Best Buy. And normally the price is $349. You can't beat this deal. It's not going to get any better than this. Trust me, don't take the chance. All right, now as for the Galaxy Watch, the 42mm, which is the midnight black, and also the rose gold, those are going for $259, both on Best Buy and Amazon.com. Normally they're $329 out the door. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you go ahead and take advantage of these awesome deals for these awesome smartwatches. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.